Okay, here's the meatloaf. I made two, a smaller one and one a little larger. And I'm getting ready to put it in a 350-degree oven, and I'll be right back. Hi, these are the meatloaves. I have two of them here, and I've made a sauce with tomato sauce and a little Worcestershire sauce and brown sugar. I use tomato sauce. This is the way Mama used to make them all the time, with sauce or tomato paste. And I use the brown sugar to kind of cut back on the acid. And I'm going to run them back in the oven for about 15 minutes. And when I take them out, I'll come back and show you what we have here. This is the finished product. I've already cut into one of the loaves, and I have my plate over here. It is plated, mashed potatoes, English peas, and this is the meatloaf, and I'm going to taste it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how good that looks with all that seasoning through there. And let me see what it tastes like. It is so good, so flavorful. So good. Smells good, tastes good. So sorry you all can't take a bite, but this is Patti. And please subscribe, like, touch that notification bell. I'm sorry, I can't talk. Tap that notification bell to be reminded of uploads. And I love each and every one of you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for telling your friends and family about us over here. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great evening. Goodbye.